Hello people, I just got to Solapur and I did a recording just before this, but because my hair was untied or no, it was tied, that's why it wasn't looking so great. Okay, so why am I saying this? So I'm basically so tired that it's like I can fall asleep while recording itself. So that's what I've come here and I have my cute friend with me, and both of us are busy on our phones. But Solapur, of the little we've seen so far, is quite a nice, cute little place and as bustling as any city, town rather of India. So but yeah, so that's what people. So thanks, you've seen my journey since the whole day, like when I boarded the bus and during the thing. And this particular trip is like a landmark sort of a thing in terms of, I was telling my friend, I was telling Renu that we could probably start then touring India and then doing like a proper video shoot, and regardless of people watching and all, just. And these days YouTube is so popular that everybody knows of it. Yeah, I mean, like I got into the bus uh, and those ladies who were with small children also, they also knew of it, and they were, I shot a video with them which I uploaded. I'm sure you must have seen it. So anyway people, so on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.